let's make a scene. I mean, a scene. A scene is a self-published art book where you can talk about any topics that you like. It's usually designed and printed by individuals. If you search for scenes online, you'll be able to see a lot of creative ideas and things that people genuinely care about and subjects that matters to them. For me, it's just so fascinating to see all of them. I like to take inspirations from my daily life and turn them into something tangible so that I can share a piece of my mind with my friends and to the world. It's now 7:23 on August 20th. It's a Tuesday. I'm actually inspired by my younger self from a month ago because I made this brochure for my company, the business that I'm working on, and I thought this is actually a great idea if I make it into a scene that also captures not only my business but my hobbies as well. As I'm now growing my Instagram at followamyto to try out everything about document my life cinematically or romantically, but I'm struggling into what forms or what formats should I be using. Photos, videos, there art, drawing, doodles, journals, there's just so many possibilities, even poems. I actually bought this vintage typewriter because I want to make poems. I don't want to procrastinate and I am a doer, is that correct? I had this idea only just right before I finished work. My team has gone. I just open Canva and do the draft that I have. Another thing that I am learning and I'm trying to do more of is once I have a creative idea, just get it out in a certain period of time instead of keep going, because you can always do better. If you want to reach perfection, then I am not able to get anything out because I have this many ideas in my head. I am trying to do more of them as I can as a practice. So the Zine Club is what I've been thinking about. You can actually print your scenes at home just using the printer, but I choose to print at my local printer shop. This is the final look. It is not quite like what I anticipate, but I'm so happy I have done it in such a short amount of time. Also, the free stickers pack that I designed also on my own. I just can't wait to share this with my friends. I'm sure they will love to see. Also, I just posted on Instagram and some strangers already want to support me. I think that is just so great to connect with the world through Zine. For distribution, you can mail that to people or you can just give them to your friends the next time you meet them in person. Thank you for watching this. I hope this will give you a little bit of inspiration on making your own scene someday.